Alright, modelrockets321 here. Welcome back to another video. Today we will have a couple of quick flights, a little low power stuff. We're going to be starting the day off with this Saturn I Block 2. Considered peanut scale. It's a Dr. Zooch kit, a very old kit. Interesting story was I sold this rocket a long time ago on eBay. Then I saw it on eBay again and I bought it back. So it has a second life for me. So I'm going to put this guy up. Going to be going on a C63, I believe I have. And I'm going to have to double check that. I can't remember. I put this motor in and had it in there. I'm going to have to check it. But anyway, go and subscribe to the channel. Hit the thumb up button. Drop a comment. Also, check the links below. IN_321 is the discount code over at Estes Rockets. If you want to buy anything from Estes, put in discount code IN_321. Let's get this day started. All right, so here we go. We got the Saturn I Block 2 going on a C63. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice flight. And delay and parachute is out. There you go. There you go. I'll take it. I see. Is that separation? That ain't separation, is that? I see it's whipping. Oh, no, it's wadding, I guess. Yeah, it's whipping around the body. Okay. Everything's there. Coming down pretty fast. Another breezy day. We've been getting breeze in the blowing dust area. Yeah, he's coming down real fast. Yeah, it's definitely the breeze helping that thing out. Yeah, he's going back there. Oh yeah, he's way over there. Behind that berm. Okay. So I'll get back with you guys in just a sec. I'm gonna make this walk. I'm either gonna walk and talk. I'm gonna make this walk alone. It's modelrockets321, guys. Stay tuned. Be right back. So there he is in the distance. He is on the ground. You can see him right there. All right, so there we go. He is touched down. The breeze, the wind's kind of blowing him around a little bit. Seemed a little faster than I wanted, but I don't know if he got a... Ooh, we got some breakage. We got the the towers broke. Oh yeah, that's a bad breaker. That was a very detailed build. Yeah, it hit the tip, so yeah. Yep, well, here's some small part of it. Yeah, very tiny stuff, tiny. Always rebuildable though. Always rebuildable. It's easy. It's not, I ain't gonna say an easy fix, but it's a fix. Just take a little ingenuity to build all that stuff up. So I'm gonna put this stuff inside. Small parts I put you in there. Did the parachute send at all? Because it seemed to be, no, the parachute's good. It seemed just caught up on this. Yeah, parachute's good. Just hit the tip, hit the capsule. Broke that retro rocket right off there. Ooh, broke a fin. Oh yeah, we got damage today on this guy. Oh yeah. Yeah, busted the fin off. Well, it's rocketry. It's rocketry. Alright guys, so we will get back over to the table and we will continue. modelrockets321. Subscribe to the channel. Be right back. Alright, next up we have the Terraformer going on a D12-0. This is a Rocketarium kit. I just added a lot of my own additional details to it. But yeah, this is pretty much up and down, kind of like a small park flyer. I fly this in the park usually when I can't get out here, but today we're going to send it up out here. We got plenty of space, but we're going to send it up on a D12-0, so it should be enjoyable. Let's check it out. All right, so here we go. We got the Terraformer going on a D12-0, a Rocketarium kit, and we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice, there we go, up and down and give you that spinning motion. There we go, it's a lot of breeze, so yeah, nice, caught wind, there it is. Nice, touchdown and still spinning, so pretty nice. These are really nice when it's not as much wind. Today we got a little breeze, so it's fighting the breeze a little, but still. Nice rocket by Rocketarium. A lot of fun. Like I said, these are park flyers. It landed very close to the pad. You can get, if you don't have a big field, you can get these guys. And they will fly in your small part, just so you can get out and enjoy the hobby. If you can't fly too high. Excuse me, if you can't fly too high. So, modelrockets321, Terraformer. Stay tuned for one more flight of the day. Here we go. All right, guys, here we go. Last but not least, we got the Estes Fatboy. It's a classic rocket by Estes. We'll be flying this. Last flight of the day, and it's going on an Aerotech D16-4FJ. This is the replacement pack. I had some that catered a while ago, but it gave me some new ones, so we're going to be sending the big boy up on a D16-4FJ. And here we go. the Fatboy D16-4FJ, and we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Got the delay, and we got parachute is out. Parachute's out. He's way up there. That wind is there. The breeze is picking up out here. I like that shiny Mylar parachute. You can see those. See them shining. Yeah, they're all heading over this way. So all the ones, yeah, it's coming down pretty good though. Coming down pretty good for me. See if I can find them on here. I know you guys probably, yeah, you can see it coming. Might be able to get a better zoom on them. There you go. Oh yeah, he's coming down way over there again. Yeah, it's a good little drift. Yeah, he's coming down right behind that berm over there. So we are good. He should be touching down about now. And I will join you guys in a quick second.
Step beyond the ordinary with Above the Surface, a captivating collection of science fiction-inspired drawings by model rocketeer Keith of Model Rockets 321. This zine features striking illustrations that push the limits of imagination and creativity, paired with motivational quotes to inspire and fuel your drive. Whether you're chasing dreams or need some positive words, Above the Surface is here to elevate your journey. Get your copy today while supplies last.
And here he is. On the ground, all laid out. Motors in place, all fins are in place. Textbook, nice flight. One of SD's great rockets, so one of the super nice sport rockets you can get. You can find a Fatboy, get one. Nice sport flying rocket. Turn this way. Nice sport flying rocket. Perfect, can't go wrong with this one. Nice, it's fun. Easy to build, nice to fly. As you can see, I put it up on a D16-4FJ. Very nice flight. Stay tuned for the debriefing. Today was a good day overall. We will be back with more. Modelrockets 321. Out. Here we go. Well, welcome to the debriefing. It's debriefing time. You just saw 3 quick low power flights. You saw the Saturn I hate to have destroyed this one. Saturn I Block 2, the Dr. Zooch kit. I told a story about it, had it years ago, lost it, got it back. Well, sold it, got it back through eBay. Today, it had a couple flights before today. I flew it, and today it got damaged. I got a broken fin, which I put inside the body. Here's a broken fin. Fairly easy fit, clean break. So that is it. Easy fix right there. I can get that fixed actually right here on the camera actually. I see a little ding there. But yeah, it's a flyer, workhorse flyer. Scale, peanut scale, small, one of the small guys. But yeah, just that breeze was pushing it over to the far side of the field, and I believe it hit hard because of that breeze. It didn't just have like a gentle fall like it usually has. But today was its day to get damaged, so that's part of the hobby, and no big deal. Some stuff to fix now. But yeah, to build itself overall for these kits is not too hard, but building that tower and those legs, you're using small little pins. I think you had to cut wire to make the lattice structures for it. So what I remember, I do have the box for it with the instructions, so I had to look that up to see how to get that all back. And I like flying with the tower. I like to fly them as they are. I know people make towers and stuff that you can take off. I don't like that. I just don't like the look, how it looks. I like it with the tower in place. So I'll get that rebuilt. I'll get this fin glued back on. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that right here. Maybe. No, we'll get through this. I'll fix this afterwards. But here's the other piece that broke. So at least I have all 3 of the legs. That's a big deal. Now I'll have to really fashion a new leg for this lattice structure. So I'll have to figure which direction that goes on and get this all fixed. The little pins, I can see a couple of the little pieces of wire, lattice pieces are gone. They were tiny. So I think one just fell off again. Yeah, one fell right here. So I'll get a little baggie and put those in. Right now I just put it off to the side. This is tiny stuff. Yeah, this is small stuff. It's peanut scale, so easy to lose. So I'll put that right there. But yeah, that was the first flight. It flew nice. It was a nice boost, but it just got that damage. Next was the Terraformer on a D12-0. I do want to fly this on the E12 just to see. But on the D12, it went nice. If you remember, if you saw a video in the archive, this had a KDO when I was in the park. Blew it to pieces. It was an old D12-0. This is a newer D12-0, so no issue there. Took off nice and got that spinning motion coming down. It spins on its way down. It spins on its way up too, but it spins really nice on its way down like that. And it hit the ground, it's still kind of spinning. But yeah, it's very nice flight of the Terraformer. It's a Rocketarium kit. So you do a little friction fit, now just tape around the end of the motor. So that was that guy. Very nice. Just did my detailing. You can see here where I glued all the cracks and stuff, but very nice. And last but not least, we have the Fatboy classic Estes rocket. Just a fun all-around rocket, easy to build, easy to fly. And we flew that guy on a D16-4FJ, leaped off the pad. It was a nice flight. Nice flight. Started getting a little breeze out there, but that's why I arched over into the wind like that. But yeah, D16-4FJ, these are successful so far. Yep, very nice. Got the silver mylar parachute. Nice, stable rocket. You can't go wrong. Just build it per the instructions, and you cannot go wrong. You cannot mess anything up flying that rocket. So anyway, guys, that was today's flights. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. Support any way you can. Drop a comment. Visit estesrockets.com. Put in discount code IN_321. And yeah, get yourself some stuff. If you're new to the hobby, definitely take advantage of a discount. If you're new to the hobby, especially even if you've been in the hobby and you haven't used the discount code. I think you can only use it once. I'm not sure. I think there's a little issue a while ago. They only let me share it once, which I don't like. I wish you guys could use as many times as you like. If you're ordering, you know. So go on and get the discount. This is modelrockets321. Just here trying to get the motor out because this gets stuck and the engine hook is kind of bent now. It's kind of weird. It's sideways. So it's always something to do. It's modelrockets321. Catch you on another video, and I am out.